Everybody wanna swing my way, cause they heard I got a banger. I used to call up Lexi, Ishram Page, and never used to answer.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Lipsticks and Kicks, and I got a super cute, super dope Louis Vuitton earrings to show you guys. So cute. I've been wanting these for forever. Look how cute they are. So dope. So I'm actually super glad I got a chance to get these. These were gifted to me from Antmall. And these are so cute, very fashionable, very bougie on a budget jewelry find. These are from antmall.ru, and also any coupon codes, links, and all that will be in the description. So the earrings did come to me in this super cute little LV shopping bag. Really dope, really cute for display purposes. And then here's the box that they came in. And they did come in cute little individual plastic baggies. And then of course you have the ribbon and care instructions and all that good stuff inside of the box, so that's always nice. And then I love these little jewelry boxes because they're super cute to just throw your jewelry in and go. So this is the little dust bag that it comes in, and you can just put your earrings in there and travel with, so that's nice. So first things first, what I noticed with the earrings right away is that they were very weighty, and I loved the gold color that is on them. It's a really nice shade of gold, very close to the OG. I love how the LVs look, not too thick, not too thin. And then the back, it just has the little writing Louis Vuitton on it. And then it has this little clasp hook. So really nice. I really appreciated the weight on these. For some of you who maybe your earlobes are maybe not as strong, you can get like the little sticky stickers just to like hold, you know, keep your earlobes in place so that it doesn't drag down, because these are weighty. They're not too weighty, but they do have a nice little weight to them. But I appreciate that, because at least when they drop or something, at least when you put them away somewhere, they're not going to break on you. So I really like that. And these are such a cute fashion statement. Very trendy, very it gal vibes. Perfect way to try out the LV hoops. These were and still are very popular. You can try out the style, and they just look so good on. Like, look at that. Super cute. You can turn them a little out, or just keep it in for a nice little subtle flex. Super cute, and definitely goes with my streetwear girly vibe. So I really loved these hoops. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching my review. Quick little review on the LV hoops. I think these are called the LV Louise hoops. Super dope. Bougie find from Antmall. And as always, stay tuned to my shorts. That's where you guys are going to see me style these and put it together, get the fits together, get the looks together. And they're really dope. So as always, I will definitely see you guys in the next one.